As the global leading integrated solution provider in cultural and sports industry, Dafeng is engaged in providing one-stop integrated solutions for smart cultural, sports, tourism venues, and pan-cultural complexes regarding the planning, creativity, intelligent manufacturing, investment, and operation, and has gained the trust of over 3,000 customers from over 100 countries and regions. Dafeng, leader in the integration of cultural, sports, and tourism with science and technologies. Dafeng is the national model base of culture and technology integration, the single champion model enterprise in manufacturing industry, the national model base in cultural industry, and the national model company in sports industry. By adhering to technology innovation, it has accumulated over 1,000 patents and participated in preparing 14 standards. Dafeng has integrated culture and technologies deeply and provided core products and services for major international activities and events, including the G20 Summit, BRICS Summit, SCO Summit, Olympic Games, World Cup, Asian Games, National Games, F1, and NBA, leaving glorious imprints of China innovation to the world. Dafeng has been engaged in serving CCTV Spring Festival Gala for 23 years. The 304 lifting platform modules can perform at the same time, while the 5 large LED screens with mechanical arms can operate freely, and the 120 matrix LED screens can intelligently interact with the dancing stage, creating a naked-eye 3D dancing stage. To celebrate the 100th anniversary of the founding of the party, Dafeng created Stage Innovation Technologies for the Great Journey artistic performance and showed the splendor of a great country. During Hangzhou time of Jakarta Asian Games, Dafeng converged machinery and video into the same node based on the control system of artificial intelligence bionics. It's working like a single nerve controlling 54 joints to present vivid performances which have astonished global audiences. Dafeng, key participator of urban cultural, sports, and tourism landmarks. Based on the technical advantages and the experience in venue construction, as well as the multi-profession integration capacity in intelligent stage, seat stand, and acoustic decoration, it has provided customers with integrated solutions and met their personalized demands effectively by EPC, EPC plus O, overall integration, professional project, and other different modes. Based on the resource platform of a listed company, it has expanded its services from the construction services of traditional cultural and sports projects to the whole industrial chain services, covering the investment, construction, and operation of pan-cultural complexes. Dafeng has undertaken most theater projects in Chinese medium and high-end markets over the decade and created many urban cultural landmarks, including the Synthesis Theater of the National Center for the Performing Arts, the new Grand Theater of China Central Television, China National Opera House, Jianqiao Cultural Center, Jiangsu Center for the Performing Arts, and Chengdu City Concert Hall. It used to participate in the construction of Kazakhstan Peace Palace, Algeria Opera House, Sri Lanka International Art Theater, Myanmar National Theater, and the Havana Grand Theater in Cuba, and other cultural landmarks in countries along the Belt and Road. Meanwhile, it has also participated in the construction of a permanent venue for the Shanghai World Expo, Wuzhen International Internet Exhibition and Convention Center, Chongqing International Expo Center, Museum of Art Pudong, etc., and provided core equipment for pan-cultural complex in the new era. Dafeng, key promoter of urban civilization in the new era. Dafeng is engaged in building a new business form for cities by regarding culture as its soul, technologies as the tool, and creativity as the core to highlight the cultural charm of cities. The dynamic scripture set at Nanhua Bay in Wuxi is 20.88 meters high It adopts Dafeng State control system conforming to SIL 3 standards to control 3,960 sets of moving trolleys accurately, change the 8 curved flower trees formed by 300,000 components into a giant in an incredible way, creating an art wonder of dynamic devices rarely seen in the world. Chen Sect Sanctuary, the 6th patriarch, Hui Nun, is designed with the world's largest 360-degree water lotus theater that can rotate as a whole, open and close freely. Night at Shishi can provide immersed marching performance, starting a cultural journey of Jiangnan aesthetics and performing a country legend of staying true to our heart. Xiamen Stellar Bar is designed with 12 star strings and double-layer mechanical ceiling, providing unprecedented space experience in another dimension. Dafeng has created hundreds of tourism performances and night tour projects, making key contributions to the economic development in local. Dafeng has applied intelligent stage, artificial intelligence, 5G, AR, VR, and other new technologies to speed up the digital transformation of the new cultural, sports, and tourism consumption industry, serve for the development of new regional cultural, sports, and tourism consumption industry, improve economic vitality, and work hard to make people live better. Take the lead in cultural and sports industry. Spread joy and happiness.